Jerry. Ham and turkey sandwich Lincoln. What do we got in here? We got Nugget. Scuba Steve. Louise. Hi, Louise. Little crooked big Louise. Hi, Nugget. You have num-nums. You have food. You have water. You have bucket of water. Yeah, you do, Abraham and turkey sandwich Lincoln. Abraham Lincoln. Right there's John F. Kennedy. Rhode Island Red Americana. Where are you? Are you with the Kevin? You are the Kevin. I know you pecked me twice last night. You got frostbite on your comb. Why'd you let the frost bite you? Does everybody get frostbite? Except for Kevin. Oh, Frankie Frank. Hey, do you have frostbite? No, you don't, Frankie Frank. Hi, Zeke. I got like buckbeak toad going on my hand. John F. Kennedy. Kev. Barb. I swear, if you touch my shoes. Going crazy. Feefaroni. Little leghorn. White leghorn. Menace to society. Cinnamon Queen Fox. Little Phoenix. Bro, why are you... Dodo, why are you freaking out like that? Oh, I feel so bad for you. You're molten. Don't go out in the snow. Don't be dumb. Collect the flocks. Flocks is the flocks. Fox. Get that right. It's not fox. It's not flocks. It's flocks. See? She's mad. She's mad. The subtitles always think it's fox. Not fox. 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 Frankie. Fox. Louise is here. Hey, Louise. Look at that little menace right there. Jonathan. Jonathan. Fox. I'll scoop your eye. Bub. Fox. It's your little chicken booty over here. Scuba Steve!